Okay friends, coming to another topic in engineering drawing, development of surfaces, which means that the plane is cutting a pyramid or any solid. A solid, if you remove either upper portion of the cutting plane or lower portion of the cutting plane, if it is opened, then if it is opened, lower portion or upper portion, what is the shape? What is the shape of that surface? That shape of that surface that is to be developed. Okay, this is the draw the development of the lateral surface of the pentagonal pyramid. The lower part of which is removed as shown in figure. Of course, the figure is given. So from this we have to develop the surface. This is the top portion. If you see that diagram, they have given obviously this base of the pentagon in HP. The base of the pentagon is HP, and one edge is parallel to VP. I am describing this problem. Parallel to VP. In this position, parallel to VP, the cutting plane is cut the 30 degrees from the A dash, within the base at this point. The cutting plane is cut this pyramid 30 degrees to HP. So this is the problem. We have to develop the surface. What is asking? Suppose this below portion. Suppose this portion is removed, then it is opened. What is the shape of the surface to be obtained? So now I am going to develop the top surface. Above this cutting plane, the top surface, it is opened. How that looks? We can develop that. Okay. You know that how to construct the pentagon. I draw a horizontal line with the side 25 XY. This is the XY, and the problem they have given not issue. In case they have given in this sentence form, you have to construct this top view and the front view. This is the vertical plane. This is the front view. This is the horizontal plane. This is the top view. Okay. Then the top view. So just I briefly explain how to construct the pentagon and top view and front view. Horizontal line. According to given problem, I am explaining. This is the 25 mm XY to parallel to XY, and you put it 180 degrees. You draw the line. You put it 180. You draw the line, and with this is the center. E as the center. Let us give the name E D. E as the center. It's 25. You cut it. D as the center. You cut it 25, and at this point the same length. Of course, it is without angle setup. You bisect this line. You draw a vertical line. This is the center. You cut it with this center axis. The center line 25. Automatically this is also 25. It is cut here. Then you draw the pentagon like this. This is the pyramid. Because it is a pyramid, you join these edges. You join these edges. Okay. From this we can develop the front view. You draw the projectors like this, and the height equal to, he has given the height equal to, I think this is the 50. The height equal to the axis height equal to 50. And you can the axis point. You draw a vertical line here, or this is the vertical line here. From this point with vertical line, you cut it with 50. Then you can join all these lines. Join this O from A dash to O, B dash to O, B dash to O, D dash to O, C dash to O. Now we get the front view. This is the cutting plane. The cutting plane is at A dash making 30 degrees. The plane is cut this pyramid. This is the cutting plane. Okay. Cutting plane. So I have given this. The names are given A, B, C, D, E, O. So therefore automatically this is the A dash, this is the E dash, this is the B dash, this is the D dash, this is the C dash. where the cutting plane is cut is pyramid. I have given this the 1, this is the 2, this edge is 2, this is the 3, this is the 3, this is the 4, this is the 4. It is okay. Now, how to develop this portion surface area? How to develop this portion of surface? We can develop anything. Once you develop this entire figure, you can remove any portion. If you want to remove this portion, you can remove. If you want to remove this portion, you can remove. Okay. First, you have to develop the total surface with the cutting plane. Okay. First, what you have to do here, you see that here no edge is not getting a true length in the front view. No edge, no corner of the pentagon in the front view. We didn't get any true length. This is not true length. This is not the true length of the edge. This is not true length of the edge. If you want to get true length of the edge, what we have to do it here. You draw a horizontal line with XY center pentagon. This is the center. You draw a line parallel to XY. Parallel to XY, like this. Parallel to XY. XY. O as a center. OC as a radius. You draw the arc like this. You draw the arc. Understand? So therefore, this is the point is cutting here. Let us say that this point is C1. This is the point C1. Here, you project this one. You draw the projector like this. Like this. Once you join here, then you join from O dash to this is not like okay. Again I am explaining here. No edge is not parallel to VP. First we have to make it any one of the edge parallel to VP. Then only we can get the true length. That's why at O I draw a horizontal line with respect to XY, and OEC as a radius. I draw the arc so that this arc is cutting this horizontal line at this point. Let us say that to C1. Okay. From this I have drawn a projector here, and this point O as a joint. Suppose this point is called C1 dash. Let us say that C1 dash. Okay. Now once you develop this diagram, this diagram, we know that how to draw the pentagon or hexagon in hexagon or square. They are fit in the square. They are fit in the circle. If you see here, if this take a diameter, radius, you draw the circle. All these corners are touching that circle. We know that. So that's why if you want to get the true length, no edge is parallel to with VP. So that we don't get the true length. So therefore, if you want to get the true length, this OC you rotate like this until it is cut this horizontal line. There we can stop it. You can make a point that let's say C1. From this you draw the projector. This is the point. Let us say that C1 dash. From here to O dash you join. This is the true length of the edge of OC. This is the OC is the true length here. This is not a true length. That C dash O dash is not true length. This is the true length. That you have to understand. Okay. Once you find out that true length, you simply take it. This O dash C1 dash as a radius. At any one point you take this point here. somewhere else. This point is taken here, taken here, taken here. This is O. This is the O dash. Okay. This is a radius. Where the 1 dash and C1 dash as a radius. O as a center here. You draw the arc like this. You draw the arc. Once you draw the arc, you join first the. Once you draw the arc, you join this line. Any one last line. This is say that I would like to open this at A. At A. So this is called A. This is A. Okay. Next, you know that side of the pentagon. This is 25. This is the 25. So from here 25 as a radius. You cut this arc. You cut this arc with 5 times because 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all. 5. So once you cut it, this name is B, C, D, E, A. Please understand. Now this is also you can join. This also you can join. This is also you can join. This is the true length of the edge. True length of the edge. From here, you carefully, because it is a pyramid, this is the join here. First you join these points. From here to 1 to 1 dash 2, you join these points. You join these points like this. Once you join these points, you draw the point from here to here vertical horizontal line. Horizontal line. From here also you draw the horizontal line. Okay. From here also you draw the horizontal line. Here also you draw the horizontal line. How to draw the? Here also you draw the horizontal line. Like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Now it is okay. Now then you see here. From I would like to here. This is the true length. I want to get true length from that 1. You draw the horizontal line to parallel to XY, O dash and C1 dash. Horizontal line. This is the, let us say that is the O dash. At 2 also you draw a horizontal line with respect to XY onto this O dash and C1. This is the 2 dash. From here also C also you draw the horizontal line onto O dash and C1 dash. This is the 3 dash. This is at 4 also you draw the horizontal line. This is a 4 dash. Already this point is A dash here. This is automatically coming to this one. This one. O dash and 1 dash as a radius. You cut the C point. From here to here, you cut the C point. You see here. This is the C point. At the same time, O dash as a center and 2 dash as a radius. That line is called D. You see that? This is the D projector. So from here to D, where is D? This is the D. You draw the arc here. Okay. The same way, O dash as a center, C3 dash as a radius, and O1 as a center here. 3, where is that line? This is B. This is the B. So you cut the B. Okay. In the same way, you see here O dash and 4 dash as a radius. You draw the arc. That 4 is the E corrected. So therefore this is the radius. You draw the arc here. On E. And finally, you see that here 1 dash and A dash. 1 dash and A dash really this one is coming here. So 1 dash and C1 dash. 1 dash and C1 dash as a radius. You cut the A. You cut the A. Here that means this is here. This is also here. This is also here. Here. Understand? Okay. Now you can join these points. Now you can join these points straight. Straight. This is also join here. This is also you join here. You join here. This is also you join here. You join here. This is also you join here. Names. This is C dash. This is the 1. Next 2. This is the D. D is 2. Next E. 2, 3, which B. 3. 3. Next 4. G. This is the 4. This is the 4. This is the 5 and 5. 5 and 5. Now what they are asking, you remove the lower portion. You remove the lower portion. That means we have to our required surface area equal to surface area is this one. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. And this one. This one only. These are all light lines. These are light lines. This portion is removed. This portion is removed. Of course, in case if you want to lower portion, you can remove this portion. If you can remove this portion, this is the part is developed. We want to higher portion, higher side portion of the cutting plane. So now in this problem, this portion is removed. Only have to show highlighted this portion. This portion. Like this, we can develop the surface of this given problem.